there, Graham and Colin from the Maple Lounge at IBM Think. Officially day one, we've got our daily update for you today.
So, what did you think?
A couple of things. One good was lots of good sessions. I sat in, I think I only missed one time slot. And one piece of feedback, perhaps one criticism, there was massive congestion. There's
Yes.
a lot of people at this conference, and trying to get from one session to the other was a bit of a challenge today.
Totally
How about
agreed. Yeah, awesome day one. It's a totally different conference. I don't think they have the logistics totally figured out, but notwithstanding that, the content makes it all worth it. And I attended some amazing sessions this morning. I attended an Open Liberty Lab. And if you're not familiar with Open Liberty, it's the free open source app server that's the open source version of WebSphere Liberty. And it's free to use, unrestricted for dev or for production. Although if a customer wants to, they could put support on it by buying actual WebSphere Liberty. So that's pretty exciting to me, actually.
Yeah, cool.
And it participates with everything else. It participates with WebSphere, Domino, LTPA. It has LTPA in it, which is huge.
Cool.
What did you attend? What was
Yeah,
big for you today?
the one highlight that I have from today is saw a session on the new Java SDK for Watson Workspace. So saw examples of how we can run our own code to interact with Watson Workspace, which I thought was quite positive. It still needs some work, but the basics are there and it's quite useful.
Speaking of Watson Workspace, big thing today that wasn't show content but was released is reactions.
Yeah, a new version.
So a new version came out. I panicked a little bit because at first my spaces weren't showing up, and I was like, that's a perfect thing to happen because we sort of use it for everything here to organize ourselves and communicate.
This is on your phone, right?
This is on my phone. A simple restart and everything was back and crisis averted, but I thereafter saw that video is enabled in the spaces if you have that feature, and reactions are there, so you can long press and hold and give a thumbs up. Sounds simple, but to me the value there is people don't want to make noise, so they won't give a ton of response even though they agree with whatever you just typed. Or there's too much verbosity, so you can't win. Simple thumbs up and 5 people can say I agree too. 5 thumbs up, it doesn't add any noise to the space, and it's actually pretty expressive.
So all in all, a pretty good day one for IBM Think, and we'll be back here tomorrow with more updates for you.
I wasn't done. You're surprised. It's okay.
Okay.
So, excellent sessions. Other IBM champions. Gabriella Davis gave a great session. You ran that session,
yeah, it was fantastic.
So the title was Single Sign-On Across IBM Products, something to that effect. But she covered a lot of aspects of authentication, authorization, single sign-on, federation. Very, very good talk. In fact, I wonder if she'd want to record a similar thing for the C3UG Gab if you see this. That was excellent. And then we were also both in a session talking about on-disk projects and
source control. Yeah, Steve Lohan. That was a good session. The thing that I like about that, I've just started to use that myself, and he had some really good thoughts just around.
It's okay. It's Vegas. There's going to be helicopters.
That's right.
Keep
That's
going.
right. It's the Led Zeppelin. No, leave it in.
It's okay. You were saying.
Okay. So the idea of the source control is, of course, a lot of us old school Notes and Domino developers have been just kind of doing it on our own, and now dev teams are getting bigger, and we're kind of evolving more into the newer technologies, and he had some really great points just about how to kind of manage source control and the things that you want to think about going forward. So I honestly, it fit right in with the stuff that I've been doing lately, and I've really enjoyed it.
From my perspective, I think it's great because we've used source control forever. Subversion and then Git, and doing nothing to do with Domino development, just open web development, Java development, and everything, whether it's C++, Java, all kinds of languages. But being able to do an on-disk project and therefore use any other tool that would work with normal files on disk, not in an NSF, that's really big. Furthermore, if you want to use tools to edit, like Visual Studio Code or any other front-end tools, you can do that. You don't lose any of that, so that's pretty exciting. I thought Steve had an excellent presentation.
Awesome.
Yeah, we've got a reception tonight. Tomorrow morning is the chairman's address.
That's right.
Jenny's talking.
That's right.
guess we're being hustled in there real early to be seated well ahead of everything.
We'll bring the updates from tomorrow.
You bet.
All right. Thanks, everyone.